For you today. If you've ever wondered what it takes to get started with affiliate marketing, you're in the right place. Let me share my screen and we'll get started. Getting started with affiliate marketing, a beginner's guide. Today we're diving into everything a beginner needs to know to kick off their affiliate marketing business. Whether you're completely new to this or just curious about how it all works, stick around because this video's going to give you the roadmap that you need to succeed. Can anyone become an affiliate marketer? First things first, let's tackle the most common question. Can anyone become an affiliate marketer? The answer is yes. Affiliate marketing is available to anyone with an internet connection and a desire to learn. You don't need a degree, you don't need any permission, you don't need any special licenses, you don't even need experience in marketing. You can start slow and build it up. All you need is the willingness to put in the work. No one else can make you do the work. You are the boss. There's nobody telling you what to do. You have to do it yourself. Nobody's going to help you. Start small, learn as you go, and figure out what works for you. It's going to be different for everyone. You need to really understand your audience and how to consistently give value. You can't just release links and hope somebody buys. They won't do it. If you go into a Facebook group and start talking about your products and dropping links, you will get banned. No one will buy and your reputation will be down the toilet. So please remember, be valuable. Help them out first, then you've given them the solution that might help them quicker. Alright, the best part about affiliate marketing is you can do it anywhere in the world with just a computer and an internet connection. That's all you need. But you have to have the right strategies and tools set up. Tools which we're going to cover today. How do beginners get into affiliate marketing? Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. Number one, you want to pick a niche. You need a group of people who want what you're selling. So that's the start. Without people that are interested, people that already have a desire for what you're selling, you'll have no chance. Choosing your niche means you have to balance what you're interested in, what people want to buy, how you can provide value for those people, and if it's even a profitable product. Some niches are just not profitable. No matter how hard you try, you will not make money. At least not enough money to make it worth your while. A niche is simply a specific topic or industry, but even more than that, it's a group of people who have an interest and a desire to solve a problem. People buy things to solve problems. They buy for the benefit. What benefit are you offering them? It has to be desirable, and your problem for the best sales has to be a desperate problem. They really want to solve it now. Think of it like this. Instead of trying to sell everyone everything, you're going to zero in on a particular group of people that have a shared interest. This could be anything from fitness to tech gadgets, beauty products, or even digital marketing tools. Step 2, you'll have to join affiliate programs. Companies have these set up all over the internet. They're easy to find. Google it. Google your niche, see what ads are popping up, write down those products, and find who sells them. Go to those websites and look at the bottom of the page for an affiliate program. You simply sign up to get approved. They give you a link to pass out, and you're all set up. Now, some are harder than others to join. Amazon, some of the bigger companies, they want to know you're real, legit, and serious. So make sure you have set up your website in this niche ahead of time. Have at least 10 nice blog posts, a lot of content, so it looks professional. That will increase your odds of getting accepted into affiliate programs. Now, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, those are a little harder. It's getting harder to get approval. But if you talk to those people, send them a DM, send them an email, just ask them a question, tell them your story and what you plan to do, and ask if you can join. Keep it simple. Don't beg. There's plenty of affiliate programs out there in every industry. The popular programs are Amazon, ClickBank, Share a Sale, and many others. They connect you with products and services that you can promote in exchange for a commission. Step 3, after you've joined and have your links, now you need to start creating content that you're going to spread around the internet on social media, blog posts, make YouTube videos, do a podcast. Spread your link kindly, help first, and then give them a solution. You want to provide as much value as you can. It's super important if you can buy the product first and have actual experience that you can show them. Show them inside the product. Show them how you've used it and the results you got. That is when people will buy from your link. If you can offer a bonus, recording, or a report, that adds to the chances that they'll buy through your link to get your bonus. Bonuses help you stand out and be different than everyone else spreading that link. You're not just a pitch person. You're trying to help them first. Now it's time to promote your link. You have to spread the word. Nobody's going to find it unless you spread it. The key is to be targeted with your audience. Be engaged with your audience. Go where they hang out. Go start conversations in those groups. Like their posts. Answer their question. Don't pitch at all. They will automatically go to your bio and look you up if they're interested. You want them to find your link. You don't want to push your link at them. The more likely they are to click on your links and make a purchase, it all depends on how valuable you were. Did you help them? Do you know what you're talking about? Do you have a good bonus? That's a key. And that's it. These 4 steps are the foundation of affiliate marketing. But let's go a bit deeper into some of these points. So here's the 4 steps recap. Write these down. Number 1, pick your niche. Join affiliate programs. Start creating content. Build a website. Build a blog. Build a social media platform. Just a profile. You can start with just a profile and get involved on that platform. Like other people's stuff, make friends with other Instagrammers, YouTubers, go on their pages. In fact, go on 10 of their pages a day or 10 of their videos, watch them, leave meaningful content, leave a comment that matters, that helps people. No links. This is building momentum. And step 4 is start promoting your links to your audience, people that know you, your subscribers, your followers. Just tell them if they're interested to DM you or leave a comment. That way they're asking for the link. And that's it. Let's go deeper. Our next subject is, how do I start affiliate marketing with no experience? I get this question a lot. It's totally understandable to feel overwhelmed when you start. But here's the thing, experience comes from doing. The more you do something, the better you get at it. Your first 5, 10 promotions might fail. Keep going, you learn each time. Just start small and focus on learning as you go. Begin by educating yourself. There are countless free resources out there online. There's blogs, YouTube channels, podcasts that can help you learn and understand the basics. Don't try to learn everything at once. Pick one area, like content creation, and really focus on that. Get good at that first. You'll build your audience as you go along. Or choose social media. Hit that one platform hard for 90 days and watch what happens. People will start following you. If you're interesting, if you're exciting, if you keep their interest and get their attention and have helpful information, people will automatically start following you. Remember, nobody starts out as an expert. Everybody starts from zero. Don't worry about it. You have to get through it. It's a hurdle. So give yourself permission as a beginner to start and grow from there. How can I start affiliate marketing with no money? Now, what if you don't have a budget to get started? No worries. You can absolutely start affiliate marketing with no money. Here's how. Take advantage of free tools and platforms. You can create a free blog on WordPress.com or a Medium. Just start posting to Medium. You'll build up your content there. You have an option of starting a YouTube channel, or you can build your following on social media. It's all for free. It just takes your time and effort. And when it comes to promoting your affiliate links, organic strategies like SEO, content marketing, and leveraging social media can go a long way, and it doesn't cost you a dime. Do you have to buy products for affiliate marketing? It's a very common question. The answer is no, you don't have to, but it helps. When you can show that you bought it, that you used it, and you can tell them what happened, what you like about it, what you don't like about it. Always tell them things you don't like. It makes the product less salesy and more like an honest review. You want to be helpful. While buying and using the products yourself can give you more credibility, it also gives you a deeper understanding of what you're promoting. It's not a requirement, but the successful affiliates buy and use products and then recommend them. That way, that's the only way you can do an honest review. There are many affiliators that fail because they do nonstop reviews every month, every week, every day, and you can honestly tell they never bought it. All they show you is a sales page. That is not a review. They want to see inside. What's inside? Tell them, show them, prove you bought it, prove you got results. That's how you get credible. Just make sure that you're honest and transparent with your audience and tell the truth. Occasionally you can do a review, a quick email. I didn't have time to go through this yet. It's closing soon. Go take a look at it. I think it's interesting. I don't know anything about it other than it sounds interesting to me. Go check it out here. You want to be authentic online. If you burn your reputation by recommending crap, they will never listen to you again. So be upfront. Let them know it is an affiliate link and why you promote it, why you think it'll help them. show them how it can help them. If you can give them a step-by-step way to use it, that's beneficial. Now we have to talk about there are some rules involved in affiliate marketing. It's a business. What are the affiliate rules? Well, every affiliate program has its own set of rules and guidelines that you have to follow. These can include how to promote products, what kind of content is allowed, and how you disclose affiliate relationships. For example, in the US, the FTC requires that you clearly disclose that you are an affiliate and this is a sponsored link. This means if you're promoting a product through an affiliate link, you need to let your audience know that you might earn a commission if they buy through this link. Don't try to hide it. Follow the rules. You don't want to get in a battle with the government. Make sure you read and understand the rules for each affiliate program you join. They're all different. Breaking the rules means you can get banned and they will not pay you your commissions. They look for reasons not to pay you commissions. Follow the rules, stay out of trouble, take it serious. You don't need a business license to be an affiliate. Although that is recommended to get a business bank account, business records, get a business license with your town, city, state, however it works in your area, just so it's official. Now you're officially in business, you will work much harder when you see your empty bank account. You're legit now. It's your reputation. You have to grow it. And there you have it. That's how you get started with affiliate marketing. Even if you're a beginner, remember the key to success is to start small, one project at a time. Stay consistent and keep learning. Learn from the data. Every time you run a promotion to your email list or you subscribe to someone's YouTube channel and start leaving comments, you will get data. Did you get banned? Did they show your comment? Did they comment back? All of that tells you you're doing the right thing or you're doing the wrong thing. If you're in a Facebook group and you start commenting and making posts and they ban you, you did it wrong. Change it next time. Keep an eye out for more of my videos. I'll have some more coming out shortly. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. And be sure to check out my other videos, because the more you learn, the more you earn. Alright, I hope you enjoyed that. It's time to end this video. Have a great day. You can do it if you try. It takes dedication, but there's nothing stopping you. Even if you have no money, you can get going in affiliate marketing. Just use social media or a free blog, even medium.com. Post messages on there, post content, and get involved. On Medium, every day, find 10 other Medium writers and comment on their stuff and leave really good advice. That's all it takes to start growing an audience of your own. Have a good day.